Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day and welcome to One to Step YouTube channel. And we are back with a new tutorial video which is related with Cash App. And it is how you guys can change your bank account on your Cash App. So it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, because we're going to be bringing more Cash App related videos just like this into the future. So turn on that notification and let's dive right into the video. So today's video is how you guys can change your bank account on your Cash App. So if you guys do not know, you guys can only add one bank account at a time on Cash App. Not just bank account. For credit card, debit card, it's same. So you can only add one credit card, one debit card, and one bank account on your Cash App account. So if you guys want to add two bank accounts, you cannot. You need to remove your old one and you need to add a new one. That's basically how it works. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. So what you want to do is you want to open your Cash App. After you open your Cash App, you want to click on this small house looking icon. Now in my screen is showing me this house looking icon because I have $0 on my Cash App. But if you guys have some amount of money deposited in your Cash App, it's going to show you the amount of money you have on your Cash App. Basically click on it. Once you click on it, what you want to do is you want to click on linked accounts. After you click on linked accounts, it's going to show you all the account which you have linked, like your debit card, your credit card, your bank account. So for changing your bank account, as you guys can see, this is my bank account. What you want to do is you want to click on your bank account. After you click on your bank account, it's going to show you these three options. And from these three options, you want to click on this where it says replace bank account. What you want to do is you want to click on it. After you click on it, it's going to take you to a place where you guys have to enter your information of your bank account to add it. As you guys can see, I'm over here where I can choose my bank. Now from over here, you can choose your bank as well if you guys see it over here. But if you do not, you can always search for your bank using its name. So let's say Wells Fargo is my bank. So I can click on Wells Fargo. Now once I'm on my bank, I want to enter my username of my bank, my password of my bank, and click on submit. If it is correct, my bank will be added to my Cash App. So that's basically how it works. Hope you guys were able to change your bank account on Cash App by watching this video. If you did, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day and peace out.